Another up close and personal with Zippos. Today we got a nice special. One World, One Future from 1999. That nice little TI right there. Alright, here we go. Very excited about this one. It's got all sorts of things on it. Stars. Oh, look at those, are so itty bitty to the human eye, but up close you can clearly tell that's a defined star. They got streaks coming off of the lettering. Very stylish. Ooh, that looks pretty. One Future. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Titanium coating. A little of the finish is coming off, but it's a clear coat. This thing is amazing. Look at those little details. I mean, that little M is so small, you would never know it was designed like that. Alright, beautiful. What a way to finish it.